So it was my third day today in Rajasthan, and probably the best day because today I was going for the desert safari. I was accompanied by some really cool people in this adventure, and we became friends super quick, knowing that we were going to share some amazing lifelong memories together. So without wasting any time, we left for the dunes. And guess what? We were right. Believe me or not, but this was the best sunset of my life till yet. But this was not the end. After this amazing day, nothing could be better than a bonfire, friends, and our endless talks.
Where's the room?
Yeah, I watched it like 10 days.
At last, the fire faded away, but I'm sure our memories won't. Yes, this is where we slept for the night. But now it was time to say our goodbyes to this place and to each other.